Today we'll be creating a colorful veggie board for entertaining.
This colorful veggie board is a perfect party pleaser. It's also a wonderful, healthy snack for your family. Just make it larger to accommodate more people when entertaining. Some tips to consider. Use a variety of colorful vegetables, also different sizes to make your board inviting. So get creative when cutting your veggies. Here I've cut the carrots into little circles instead of sticks. This is visually interesting, and also they are small enough that there is never a need to double dip. I've also sliced the larger peppers into rounds. Color balance when building your board. So here I put carrots on one side and I put some orange peppers on the other to create some balance. I like to also put cheeses on the edges so it's easier to slice and serve. The cube cheese can go anywhere because it's ready to go. Try to position the crackers close to the cheese so the flow is convenient. Have a variety of cheeses like soft cheese, hard cheese, and blue cheese. Having a variety of dips or chutneys like this apple chutney or the hummus or tzatziki is great. I also recommend using little spoons so guests have the option to spoon some of the dip onto their plate rather than dipping directly. Another tip is chopping your veggies in advance and just assembling before your party arrives. Ultimately, have fun, get creative, be experimental. I mean, pretty much any greenhouse veggie goes.